Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a 4x6 autumn mini album spread titled Fall, and I'm using the digital version of the collection Hello Autumn by Carta Bella and then some stamps and dies, mostly dies, on this page. So here I have prepared two mats that I used some of my dies for. And they will be the background because the background paper is super busy with the pattern, but I love this pattern. It's just such a beautiful kind of more watercolory pumpkin pattern. And so just to give a little bit of a contrast, I'm adding this little mat to the back of the photo, and then I have this little bunting that I used my silhouette to cut. So I do print and cuts. So I use my printer to cut things out, and then my silhouette. I use my printer to print things, and then my silhouette to cut things. And I found a way that gets perfect cuts pretty much every single time. It's not the officially recommended way, because I find that doesn't work so well. So this one actually works way better for me. And there's a video, if you want to know how I do it, you can find it, a link to it in the description box below. Anyway, here I'm just gluing on the bunting, and then there is this little, it's actually a journaling card or something from the collection, but I just used like a stamp die to make it look like a stamp. So that's the beauty of using digital products. You can resize them to any size project that you're working on, and I'm obviously working on a 4x6 small scale scrapbook layout, so I don't want to have big embellishments on my page. So that's the advantage that I find when I simply use the digital version of these things. So here is a little more of the clustering and the embellishing, and that's my 2 pages done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.